Well students, topic of the video is trigonometry. In this video we discuss sums and trigonometry. In last videos on this topic we discuss MCQ sums and trigonometry. There is another sum. Find the value of sin 420 cos 390 minus of cos minus 300 sin of minus 330. So sin 420 cos 390 minus of cos minus 300 sin of minus 330. Now you see that sin of minus theta is equals to minus sin theta and cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta. So by applying this one, sin 420 cos 390, cos of minus theta is cos theta, so cos 300, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, using this one minus sin 330. Now sin 420 can be written as sin 90 into 4 plus 60, cos 390 is cos 90 into 4 plus 30, minus of minus plus, cos 300 90 into 3 plus 30, and sin 330 is equals to sin 90 into, if we multiply 90 330, 9 3 is 270 plus 60, so 90 into 3 plus 60. Now you see that 90 into 4 plus 60, 90 into 1 2 3 4 plus 60 lies in first quadrant. In the first quadrant sign is positive, that is sign positive, and 90 into even, so 9 sign remains sign, so sin 60 into 90 into 4 plus 30, this is also lies in first quadrant. 90 into 1 2 3 4 plus 30, this is also lies in first quadrant. In the first quadrant cos is positive, so there is also positive, and 90 into 4, this is even, so cos remains cos, so this is cos 30 plus 90 into 3 plus 30, 90 into 3 plus 30 is 90 into 1 2 3 plus 30, this is lies in fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant cos is positive, so there is positive. 90 into 3, this is odd. For the case of odd or 90 into odd multiple, so cos changes to its complement. So complement of cos is sine, so this one becomes sine 30 degree. Similarly, in the next case, sin 90 into 3 plus 60, 90 into 1 2 3 plus 60. In the fourth quadrant sign is negative, so this one is negative. 90 into 3, this is odd multiple of 90, so sine change to its complement. Complement of sine is cos, so this one is cos 60, so it becomes sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, minus a plus a minus, sin 30 is half, cos 60 is half, so this one is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 3 minus 1 by 4, this is 2 by 4, this one becomes half. So this is final answer of this sum, and the option is option D is correct. Next sum is cos pi plus x cos minus x by sin pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x equals a sin x, b 0, c cot square x and d cosec square x. Now you see that cos pi plus x cos of minus x sin pi minus x and cos pi by 2 plus x. Now you see that cos pi, pi is 180 degree, so cos 180 plus x, and cos of minus theta is cos theta, so this one is cos x. Cos of minus x is equals to cos x, so this one is cos x only. The denominator sin pi minus x, so pi is 180 minus x, and this one is pi by 2, so 180 by 2, that is 90, cos 90 plus x. Now this 180 degree can be written as cos 90 into 2 plus x into cos x, and this 180 can be written as sin 90 into 2 minus x and cos 90 plus x. Now I see that cos 90 plus x, cos 90 plus x, 90 plus x lies in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative, so this one is negative. And here is 90 into 1, 90 into 1 is odd multiple of 90. For odd multiple of 90, cos changes to its complement. Complement of cos is sin. So this one is sin x. In the next part, cos 90 into 2. Cos 90 into 2 is 90 into 1, 2 plus something. Now see that all sin, tan, cos. In the third quadrant, tan and cot is positive, so cos is negative in the third quadrant, so there is minus. Cos 90 into 2, even multiple of 90. For even multiple of 90, cos change to cos remains unaltered, so this is cos x into cos x. In the denominator part, 90 into 2 minus x, 90 into 1 into 2 minus x, in the, so it is finally lies in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign is positive, so this is positive. 90 into 2, this is even multiple of 90, so sign remains sin, so this one is sin x into minus sin x. So minus minus cancel each other. This one is cos square x by sin square x is equals to cot square x. This is one way, and there is another way to write the directly from this sum. So this one is, there is a formula of this conversion. Cos pi plus theta is equals to minus cos theta, so this one is minus cos x. Cos of minus x is cos x. Sin pi minus theta is equals to plus sin theta, so this one is sin x. Cos pi by 2 plus theta is equals to minus sin theta, so this one is minus sin x. Then directly we can find this one is cot square x. So you can use this way or this way, and the sum is, and the result is cot square x. In the next video on this topic, we discuss few more sums.